Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Salvadoran quesadillas. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. Don't forget half a cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Give them a quick whisk to ensure they are well distributed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract until they are fully incorporated. Then, slowly add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until you have a smooth, lump-free batter. This creates the perfect base for your quesadillas. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. Make sure your baking pan, ideally a 9-inch round one, is well greased to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your prepared batter into the pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top is a beautiful golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your delicious Salvadoran quesadilla cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before slicing. This helps it set and makes for cleaner cuts. Serve it warm, perhaps with a cup of coffee for a traditional experience or a refreshing cold beverage. It's a wonderful treat for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.